This is the Skin Ultra Advanced Kit for Manscaped. We're in the business of man care. No more washing your face with body wash, fellas. It's time for an upgrade. First, we cleanse, and by that I mean wash our mugs, with Skin Ultra Face Wash. This gentle exfoliating AHA complex removes dead skin cells, revealing brighter, smoother skin. Trust me, that's a good thing. Apply 1 pump into damp hands, or, for a serious deep clean, under the Face Buffer Pro. Thanks to testosterone, men have thicker skin than women. This premium face scrubber allows you to choose from 3 cleansing modes. Choose a duo mode to combine both for the ultimate cleanse. This is your daily cleanse mode. Turn on sonic vibrations for a gentle cleanse that deep cleans your pores. This is exfoliating cleanse mode. Turn on pet oscillations for targeted exfoliation once you choose what feels best for your skin. Massage the Face Buffer Pro in circular motions around your face and neck. Rinse thoroughly. Okay, now what? In BSU, before Skin Ultra, you play with your action figures and get on with your life. But this is a new era. Our powerful antioxidant brightening complex is formulated to help illuminate, improve skin tone, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Side effects include turning heads. Each morning, apply 1 to 2 pumps of Skin Ultra Brightening Serum to that freshly cleansed face. Then wait for it to dry. 30 seconds to do the trick. Hydration time, boys. Designed to moisturize, hydrate, and improve the look and feel of your skin without the shine. Apply 1 pump of Skin Ultra Daily Face Moisturizer to freshly cleanse skin all over your face and neck. And that's it. You're done. You're a skincare guy now. Press and hold for 3 seconds to engage and disengage when the device is off. Quick press to toggle between daily cleanse mode, exfoliating mode, and dual cleanse mode. Charge your Face Buffer Pro using the only plug you'll ever need. The included USB-C cable will bring you to full charge in about 90 minutes and give you 75 minutes of runtime at full charge. If you run out of juice early, your Face Buffer only needs a 5-minute charge to get you through a quick cleanse.